Here are the answers to 3 questions you might have about sealing channel roll forming machines. 1. What is the maximum speed of a sealing channel roll forming machine? A single specification sealing channel roll forming machine can reach speeds of up to 120 meters per minute. It is powered by a servo motor, ensuring high precision and low error rates during high-speed forming. 2. How to produce sealing channel of various specifications. King-Reel offers sealing channel roll forming machines that can automatically adjust the width. With a dual roller design and a spindle that allows for width adjustment, the machine is driven by a servo motor. Workers only need to input the parameters, and the machine will automatically adjust the width without manual intervention, making the process highly automated. 3. How to produce different types of sealing channels. To produce 2 different types of products on one machine, the roll forming machine must be equipped with rings that can be used with a crane. Workers use the crane to replace the roller sets on the platform and switch the cutting dies. Here's the process. First, workers loosen all the screws securing the roller set. Then, using the crane, they move the current roller set off the platform and replace it with the desired roller set. During this process, workers must ensure the gears and drive motor are properly aligned and not mispositioned. After confirming that everything is in place, the screws are retightened. Once the roller set is replaced, the cutting dies also need to be switched out by removing the current set and installing the new one on the cutting station. After completing these steps, the machine can start producing the other type of sealing channel. King-Reel has extensive expertise in the manufacture of sealing channel roll forming machines and offers on-site visits with technical demonstrations. King-Reel is happy to answer any customer inquiries and welcomes contact for further information.